Hello everyone, hello my lovely students, it's me, Ms. Shakao. I'm glad to be with you. Okay, we will review all the lessons that we studied at the class. Okay, I hope you will be fine and healthy. Okay, listen to me and be careful. This unit is about unit 10. Okay, unit 10 is about what? About present simple. We said that at the class, as you remember. Present simple. Present simple, we use present simple when an action is happening right now. Okay, we have two verbs. We have a verb to be and we have verb base, but in this unit we use verb base. Okay, verb base, it means that without is or es to the verb, or without ing, we don't add or we don't put is or es to the verb. Keep it in your mind. Okay, in these pictures we have some foods, okay, like cheese, fish, yogurt, honey, jam, ice cream. For example, I like cheese, I like fish, I like ice cream. Okay, in this okay, let me read it. For example, we use like it means that verb, like verb without is or es, because we have I. With I, we, you, they, we don't put is or es to the verb. Verb, it should be what? Verb should be verb base. Let me show you the rule of present simple. Okay, present simple. The rule of present simple is subject, verb, complement. Positive sentence. Subject, verb, complement. Subject, if we have I, we, you, they. The verb, it will be verb base. Okay, without is or es to the verb. For example, I like cheese. We like fish. Okay. In negative sentence, we have subject. We put or we add don't between subject and between verb base. Subject, don't, verb base, and complement. Don't, it's a short form. The long form of don't is do not. For example, I don't like cheese. I, it's subject. Don't, this don't. Like, it's verb base. Cheese, it's a complement. They don't like apple. Okay. If we have don't, it means that this sentence is negative sentence, but if we don't have don't, it means that positive sentence. As a question sentence, just we write do at the beginning of the sentence. After do, we have subject, we have verb base, we have complement, and we have question mark. Please, my student, don't forget question mark. Okay, keep it in your mind. For example, do you like yogurt? Do you like yogurt? Do they like fish? Do they like fish? Okay. This one, you, it's a subject, like verb base, yogurt, it's a complement, we have question mark. Okay, I hope you will get benefit from this video.